Hey fams, happy new year. Happy 2025, you guys. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we're in 2025. Like, this is insane, right? But I am so grateful to God that we are here today. I hope that you guys had a wonderful holiday season and a bright start to your New Year's. Thank you guys so much for being patient and for giving me grace in the space to kind of just get my life together, right? So today I am going to be starting my decorating for the winter season. You guys know, if you've been with me for a very long time, you know that I don't decorate in January or February for spring. It's not spring outside, so I'm looking at a sea of white. There's like snow everywhere. It is 10 degrees. It's freezing cold. I am not in the spring mood, but I will be decorating for winter, and I'm just gonna be using like moody things, lots of curated, vintage like things, and just lots of greenery as well. So as you can see, my fireplace, I've taken down all the reds and I've just left up all the greenery because I love it. I think it's still beautiful and lush. So that's basically what today is going to be. I'm going to start out with my hutch today. And then throughout the course of the decorating, season, I will move on to other areas in my home. So I'm going to be starting with my white hutch today, and I hope that you guys can get some tips and tricks from it. On how to decorate your space for the winter season to bring in that cozy vibe and also that, nice warm feeling as well. So I also want to let you guys know that I did start a cleaning channel. I think I did announce it over on my community tab there. I did start a cleaning channel, and it's called Cleaning is My Therapy. It really, really helps me. Y'all know I love to clean, but I didn't want to bring it on this channel because I know a majority of you are not about that cleaning video watching life. So I decided to go ahead and start a cleaning channel, and I will leave the link down below if you're interested in watching, if you're interested in getting motivated, or cleaning alongside with me. I will leave that down in the link below. Support if you choose to. I would love for you to support. And so I am going to go ahead and get ready to get into this decorating, this hutch, and I hope that you guys are inspired. So let's go ahead and get decorating. So these are my encyclopedias from when I was a teenager. My mom bought me this set of encyclopedia when I was in high school, and I used it all throughout college as well. And I am so grateful to my mom for passing them down to me. It's like an heirloom, and they're very sentimental. They were my Google. That's what I told my children, that my encyclopedias, they were my Google back then. So I am going to be using them to decorate this hutch. I kind of want like a library feel in this hutch. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I placed these beautiful potteries on top of the hutch, which I've always done. I just love them on top of there. And then I'm going to go ahead and decorate the hutch with books and, a little bit of greenery and decorative items. So definitely stay tuned and watch till the end.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just being more than friends. Yeah.
So as you guys see, I am decorating with stuff that I already own. I haven't purchased anything, for this hutch. I actually haven't purchased anything at all in terms of home decor. So my home is so bare. After you take down Christmas decorations, why is it that your house is so bare afterwards? And I'm kind of going through all of my home decor items, and I am a little bored with them, I gotta be honest. So I'm definitely going to be investing in some new thrifted pieces and also some new pieces, newer items from from Amazon, Home Goods, things like that. But I'm going to be searching because I just don't want to be bringing things in my home that I don't love at all. So I'm definitely going to be searching for those items, but I just wanted to reuse all the items that I do have in my home to decorate this hutch. Like I said, I'm going for more library feel, so just something more traditional and that kind of also has like a masculine touch to it. So I am just loving the way that this hutch has turned out. This is probably one of my favorite furniture pieces in my home, and I just love it so, so much, you guys. I am going to be doing some new things in this house, some new decor items and things like that. So definitely look forward to that because it is going to be coming up throughout the course of the winter season and even spring months. And I am super excited about what is going to come. So definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that bell so you don't miss any information or notifications that pops up. And we gonna enjoy this year, you guys. 2025. We're taking back a lot of things, a lot of what the enemy has stolen. We're taking it back. Our joy, our peace, our homes, our families, our self-worth, everything that the enemy has stolen, we're taking it back. And this is the start of it, a fresh start. And I am so excited about newness. I'm so excited about fresh starts, new beginnings, and, starting over with a lot of things. Just so many things that is going to be coming up. So definitely stay tuned because y'all, my life is on a new trajectory and I am super excited about it.
I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me.
So what are you guys thinking? What do you think about how it turned out? I just love it so much. I love the way the books are, the fact that I turned them around and they're all just cohesive in color and tones. Like the pages are all different colors because they're older, so some have been warped and the colors have changed and over time, but I just love it. It feels vintage. It feels curated to me, and I just love the way that it turned out. So you guys let me know down below. What do you guys think of this new look for the winter season? I love it. I just can see myself decorating with white flowers and white roses. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I just look outside of my windows and all I see is snow and ice. So I wanted to replicate that inside the home, but I love the way that it turned out. So let me know what you guys think as well. I also want to give my greatest condolences to anyone that has lost loved ones in the California fires, or all for everyone that has been displaced during this time. It is truly a tragic situation, and I don't even know how to even come back from that. I mean, I'm not involved in there, but It's just such a sad situation, and I've just been crying and praying and just really seeking God on behalf of the state of California. It is really crazy, the things that are happening. So my heart, my condolences, and my prayers are with you guys.
I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it inspired you to do something different. I wanted to do something different with my hutch, and I am so happy about these beautiful encyclopedia books. I had them since I was a teenager, and I'm so grateful my mom got them for me. It was a gift as I was studying in school and college, and so I am so happy that she passed them down to me, and I am now able to use them in my home and with my kids and pass it down to my children as well. So it's just such a great sentimental set of books, and I am definitely looking forward to using them all over my home for every season. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.